Hello, this is my blog for tonight. So we'll be talking about how the sea changes over time. So let's first understand the concept of erosion. Imagine you have a cliff, and this is your cliff. And this here is the ocean. So the ocean or water. Imagine your cliff is not does not have a clean surface, rather it has a concave parts in it. For example, this is the concave part and so are these other two. For example, imagine there is a wave that comes from the ocean towards the cliff. What do you think will happen to the cliff over time, given that the time is 1,000 years? So this is where the cliff changes over time in the span of 1,000 years. Imagine you have a wave, and this is a wave, and this wave hits the concave part of the cliff. So by magnifying this area here, we can see the actions that is happening when the wave hits the cliff. The wave carries power or energy, and along this wave it carries dust or a sedimentary particles which hit this part of the cliff. And when the wave hits the cliff, this wave here, it creates a vacuum inside between the concave part of the cliff and the wave. Thus the energy from the wave is transferred to the cliff, and when the sedimentary particles hit the cliff, it will cause an erosion. So this is the eroding effect of the wave. Moreover, when the wave hit the cliff and the water seeps through the concave part of the cliff, it will generate enough force that will take away some parts of the cliff. So given that 1,000 years, initially your cliff is from here, then after 1,000 years it will fall down and reduce back into this area. So after 1,000 years, this is now your cliff. And that part of erosion is what we call abrasion and hydraulic force. Because of the hydraulic force of the wave, it causes a damage to the cliff, especially to the concave part of the cliff, resulting to a abrasion of the cliff's part. Then over time, the cliff in the concave part of the cliff will eventually cannot hold the weight of the cliff above. Thus the part of the cliff that is above the abrasion will suddenly fall down. So that is what we call abrasion and hydraulic force.